So this here is the Museum of Arts, is it? Museum of Contemporary Art. So I'm taking it again. This is so beautiful here. This is on the building. There's all the lights that are coming from this building here. And all these lights going around here are all focused on buildings. So this is, we're at the Circular Quays. Down here, this is the long weekend. Monday is a long holiday, but yeah, we're down here. This is Saturday evening, and I think there were hundreds of thousands of people here tonight. And this is just starting to slow down a little bit, but there's still so much to see here. Still so much to see. Look at that building. Wow. I think people have just travelled from afar to come here. This is the back of Niue and Charlotte Baba. Maybe Luta will remember this day. There's Dad carrying you. Yes. Isn't that amazing? I think it's absolutely beautiful. Wow. Wow. The technology these days is absolutely amazing. It looks so real. Anyways. Bridge. Oh, and that side there is the Opera House. Wow. I can take a better video of the Opera House. They're up closer. That's the Opera House. Okay, I'm going to keep an eye on them. Wow. That's the Opera House. Let's go. Yes. Circular Quays. Look at all that beauty. All the lights and wow. Amazing. Amazing. Oh. You just want to carry on, or? Yeah, carry on. Opera House. Over here.
That's right. Yeah, then, yeah.
That's the Opera House here at Circular Quays. It's absolutely amazing. Beauty. It doesn't even look like the Opera House, does it? Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Ah, look at all that. Look at all the lights.